Telangana is the abode of Indian culture and traditions from ancient times. The keen interest of its rulers in art and culture helped Telangana to develop as a multicultural society. This is highlighted through the different way men and women lead their lifestyle. Be it the attire or the cuisine, people here truly believe in the saying, variety is the spice of life. This is reflected through their mode and manner of living. To begin with the traditional attire, men in Telangana wear panch, dhoti kurta, whereas women prefer saris, churidars and langavoni. Telangana is famous for the production of silk saris. The popularity of Pochampalli silk sari has given it a place in UNESCO tentative list of World Heritage Sites as part of iconic sari weaving clusters of India. Known for its delicious cuisine, Telangana is famous for its amalgamation of a broad repertoire of rice and wheat. The cuisine is spicy and ingredients such as tamarind, sesame seeds and chilies are used in most of the vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Hyderabadi biryani is the most popular dish. Other dishes include mirch ka salan, keema samosa, halim and kebabs. Staple dishes of the region are boti and puntukura. Famous delicacies are khubani ka meetha, bakshalu, rava laddus and parmanam. Being a multicultural state, Telangana is known for its festive vibes. Representative of Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb, many festivals like Bathukamma, Vijayadashmi, Bonalu, Ramzan are celebrated with pomp and grandeur. To mark the rebirth of Devi Durga, the floral festival Bathukamma is widely celebrated by women in Telangana during the Navratri. Telugu, the official language of Telangana, is among one of the languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Before the merger of Telangana in Indian Dominion, Urdu was the state language. People of Telangana are lovers of music that ranges from Carnatic to folk. Singers use this form to highlight their demands during the separate Telangana movement. The famous dance form from Telangana is Perini Sivtandavam or Perini Tandavam, associated with Lord Shiva and mainly performed by male dancers, especially warriors, during the rule of Kakatiya dynasty. The other widely famous dancers in Telangana are Gusari, Kuchipudi, Tribal Dhimsa, Lambari, etc. Telangana also has a great foundation in art and craft, especially the handicrafts like Banjara needlecraft, Dokra metal crafts, Bidri crafts, Nirmal arts, just to name a few. Apart from being famous for history, culture and cuisines, Telangana is the abode of many famous people like well-known politicians, artists, scientists and sports personalities. Zakir Hussain Khan, an eminent economist, politician and the third President of India, was born in Hyderabad. Kalwa Kuntala Chandrasekhar Rao, founder and the President of Telangana Rashtra Samiti, was elected as the first Chief Minister of newly formed state Telangana. Srihari Bholekar, a prominent painter, sculptor and printmaker from Telangana, worked as the chief artist at Indian Air Force. Arunoday Vimal, a well-known Telugu folk singer and a social activist who opposed Jogini system, also hails from Telangana. Mohan Rao, an Indian molecular biologist with a PhD in chemistry, known for photoacoustic spectroscopy of chemical and biological systems, is also the son of the same soil. Telangana has given various eminent sports personalities like Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, Mohammad Azharuddin, Mithali Raj, VVS Lakshman, Pulela Gopichand to the motherland. An inland area of India, Telangana is truly the center of uniqueness and modernity.